What would happen if you put down your cell phone before bed for just 14 days? Most people use their phones right before sleep, but avoiding them at night could bring significant benefits. Here, we'll explore two main reasons why bedtime phone use isn't ideal. What changes occur when you ditch the device, and some simple steps to reduce its negative impact if you can't fully give it up. First, let's talk about blue light, one of the primary culprits. Blue light, part of the visible light spectrum, powerfully suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. When melatonin levels are too low, falling asleep and staying asleep becomes difficult, affecting the quality of rest you get. As you wake up the next day, poor sleep may lead to fatigue, reduced focus, and impaired mood. Why is blue light the issue? The body evolved to recognize light and darkness as cues for day and night. During daylight hours, the sky is blue, signaling to our brains to stay alert. But at night, exposure to blue light tells our bodies to stay awake by keeping melatonin levels low. This issue is intensified because phone screens and other digital devices emit concentrated blue light that's even stronger than natural daylight. Just a minute and a half of this blue light exposure close to bedtime can reduce melatonin levels, which is why screens should be avoided before sleep. One option to counteract blue light is blue light blocking glasses. But be careful. Not all blue blockers are created equal. Regular sunglasses, for example, don't block blue light effectively, and many blue light blocking lenses on the market only work partially. After testing various glasses, it's clear that inexpensive yet effective blue blockers exist. Some, costing as little as $3, can completely block blue light and look good too. If you must use your phone at night, blue blocking glasses that filter blue light entirely can make a noticeable difference. Using a spectroscope to view phone screens shows the intense blue light emitted. To reduce its impact, quality blue light blockers can filter out the blue spectrum, preserving melatonin levels and ensuring a smoother transition to sleep. In addition to blue light, there's another concern: EMF, or electromagnetic fields. EMF exposure, especially when coming from devices close to your body, can impact cellular communication in your body and has been linked to issues like increased cancer risk and tumor growth due to cell damage. While cell phone use is widespread, understanding and minimizing exposure can be beneficial. EMF meters, like the tri-field, can detect and measure these fields accurately, enabling you to assess EMF levels around devices you frequently use. By testing your home or workspace, you can spot high EMF zones, especially near your bed where EMFs can interfere with sleep. I found this firsthand while checking my own home. High EMF levels around my bed led to poor sleep, leaving me feeling tired and experiencing heart palpitations. Minimizing exposure by distancing electronic devices during sleep hours can significantly improve rest quality and overall energy the next day. Keeping your phone away from your head can also lessen the impact. Opt for speaker mode or keep devices at arm's length instead of holding them close to your head. In fact, using your phone before bed, even briefly, can delay sleep onset by as much as 3 to 5 minutes per minute of use. Proper sleep involves cycles, particularly REM, or rapid eye movement, sleep, and deep wave or delta sleep. While delta sleep primarily helps physical recovery, REM sleep focuses on cognitive repair. Excessive blue light and EMF disrupt this natural cycle, leading to shallow sleep and limiting the time spent in these restorative phases. Other factors like room temperature can also improve sleep quality. Studies show that cooler temperatures between 60 and 69 degrees Fahrenheit help induce better sleep by lowering core body temperature slightly. Warmer temperatures, on the other hand, can lead to poorer sleep quality, and people with insomnia often have a higher core body temperature that can prevent restful sleep. Poor sleep impacts much more than just mood. Research links sleep deprivation to risks such as elevated blood sugar and even type 2 diabetes, with chances increasing by 48%. Sleep problems can also raise the risk of dementia by 33% and depression by 30% due to ongoing exhaustion. Beyond using blue light blockers and distancing your phone, small lifestyle changes can boost melatonin. Spending time near a campfire, candles, or a fireplace emits melatonin-friendly infrared light, supporting restful sleep. Replacing screen time with natural light sources before bed can go a long way in enhancing sleep quality. In conclusion, avoiding your cell phone before bed has real benefits. If going tech-free isn't feasible, take measures to limit blue light exposure with quality blue light blockers and reduce EMF exposure by creating distance from devices. The reward is better sleep, a clearer mind, and improved overall health. So why not try going phone-free for 14 nights and see the difference?